Tell me something honest.
What, Anna?
Do you eat breakfast every single morning?
Sometimes yes. Sometimes I skip it completely.
J. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
I know. That is exactly why today.
We are talking about breakfast.
Real sentences. Real English. Daily life topics.
Just like we do every single week together.
Let's go.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
I am Jay.
And I am Anna. And this is Learn English with Jay and Anna. Jay, today's topic. Tell everyone.
Today, eating breakfast at home.
Jay, honestly, do you actually eat breakfast every morning?
Anna, I try. But sometimes I am in a hurry.
New word already, hurry. Hurry. When you need to do something very fast. No time to wait.
I am in a hurry today.
But today, no hurry. Today we sit. We eat. We learn English. Jay, what time do you eat breakfast every morning?
Around 7 o'clock. Right after my morning walk.
Good habit. Walk first. Then eat. I like that.
Yes. After walking I always feel hungry.
New word, hungry. Hungry. The feeling when your body needs food and says, please feed me. I feel hungry in the morning.
I am hungry. Let us eat breakfast.
And before you eat, what do you do first?
I always wash my hands first. Always.
Very important. Clean hands. Clean food. Healthy body. I always wash my hands before eating.
Then I set the table.
New phrase, set the table.
Arrange the plates, cups, bowls and spoons nicely on the table.
I set the table for breakfast every morning.
Anna, what do you see on a breakfast table?
Okay. Let me think. So many things.
First, plate. Plate.
I put a plate on the table. Second, glass. Glass.
I fill my glass with water. Third, spoon. Spoon.
I use a spoon to eat my food. Fourth, bowl. Bowl. A round deep dish for cereal or dal.
I eat cereal from a bowl. And fifth, napkin. Napkin.
A small cloth or paper to clean your mouth after eating. I use a napkin after eating.
Look at your table tomorrow morning and name everything in English.
Plate. Glass. Spoon. Bowl. Napkin. Say it all.
Anna, what do you eat for breakfast every morning?
Oh. I love this question. I eat so many different things. Some days, bread and butter. Some days, eggs. Some days, fruits.
Bread. B-R-E-A-D.
I eat bread and butter for breakfast.
And eggs. Anna, I love eggs so much.
Egg. E-A-G-G. You can boil, fry, or scramble eggs.
Boil, B-O-I-L, cooking in hot water. I boil eggs every morning.
Fry, F-R-Y, cooking in oil on a hot pan.
I fry eggs in the pan.
And scramble means mix the eggs while cooking. Soft and fluffy. I make scrambled eggs for breakfast.
Fruit. F-R-U-I-T, apple, banana, mango, papaya.
I eat a banana every single morning.
Quick. Easy. Healthy. Banana is perfect for morning. And some days, paratha.
Paratha. My absolute favorite.
Anna loves paratha more than English.
J. That is not true. Maybe just a little true.
Anna, what do you drink for breakfast?
I drink tea every single morning. Without tea I cannot function.
Tea. T-E-K.
I drink a cup of tea every morning.
But Anna, I drink water first. Then tea.
Water first? Why, J?
After sleeping all night, body is empty. It needs water first.
Oh. That is actually very smart. I should do that too.
I drink 1 glass of water every morning before anything else.
Everyone, first thing in the morning, drink water. Before tea. Before coffee. Always.
Your body will thank you. Every single morning.
Coffee. C-O-F-F-E-E. And milk. M-I-L-K. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink a glass of milk.
Tea. Coffee. Milk. Water. What do you drink? Tell us in the comments.
J, how do you eat your breakfast? Fast or slow?
Oh. Good question, Anna. I sit down and eat slowly.
New phrase, eat slowly. Very important for your health. I sit down and eat slowly every morning.
Eating slowly is very good for digestion.
Digestion. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. How your body breaks down food.
Chew. C-H-E-W, breaking food with your teeth before swallowing.
I chew my food properly every time.
Anna, do you eat breakfast alone or with your family?
With family. Always. Every single morning without fail.
We eat breakfast together every morning.
It is not just food, Jay. It is a family moment. A special time.
That is so true, Anna. That is so beautifully true.
Okay, Jay. Breakfast is done. Then what do you do?
First I clean the table. Then I wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S plates, bowls, glasses, spoons. I wash the dishes after breakfast every morning.
Anna, you wash dishes yourself every morning?
Yes. Every morning. It is my habit. Clean kitchen. Clean mind.
Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. The room where you cook food. I clean the kitchen after breakfast. Anna, why is breakfast so important? Tell everyone.
Okay. Think about this. You sleep for 7 or 8 hours at night.
Yes. No food. No water. Long time.
So in the morning, your body is completely empty.
And it needs fuel.
New word, fuel. F-U-E-L, energy for your body. Like petrol for a car. Breakfast gives fuel to my body every morning.
When you skip breakfast, you feel tired. You cannot concentrate.
Concentrate. C-O-N-C-E-N-T-R-A-T-E, focusing your mind on one thing. I cannot concentrate without breakfast.
But when you eat breakfast, you have energy. You think better. You work better.
So please, never skip breakfast. Never. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Say that sentence, everyone. Say it out loud.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Okay, everyone. Word review time. Let us remember today's words.
Hungry, the feeling when your body needs food.
Set the table, arrange plates, bowls and spoons.
Boil, cook in hot water.
FRY, cook in oil on a hot pan.
Chew, break food with your teeth before swallowing.
Digestion, how your body breaks down food.
Fuel, energy for your body.
Concentrate, focus your mind on one thing.
Kitchen, the room where you cook food.
Hurry, needing to do something very fast.
10 words. Write them. Say them. Use them tomorrow morning.
Okay, everyone, homework time.
I actually love homework time now. Only English homework, Anna. Only English.
Tomorrow morning, sit at your breakfast table. Look at everything around you. Say it all in English. I feel hungry. Let us eat.
I am eating bread and eggs for breakfast.
I am drinking a cup of tea.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Say these sentences out loud. To yourself. To your family. Even to your tea.
Your tea will not judge you. Trust me. Before we finish today, I want to say something important. Learning English is not easy. We know that. You know that.
Some days you will feel, I cannot do this. This is too hard.
But then you came back. You pressed play. You tried one more time.
And that means everything to us.
You are getting better. Every single day. Even if you cannot feel it yet.
We see it. We believe in you. We are proud of you. Truly.
If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with one friend who needs this today.
Subscribe so you never miss a single episode.
Learn English with Jay and Anna.
See you next week.
Take care, everyone. Bye bye.